This video is for Surf Well Plumbing and Heating. My name is Galia, and in this video I'm going to show you 3 things you can do today to help bring in more customers to your business. So by the end of this video you've liked what you heard, shoot me a message back and we can chat. If it's not, it's okay with me. So now let me show you 3 things that will set your company above your competition. The first thing I want to go over is content. Make sure you have on your home page more than 1500 content because Google loves content. Also with right keywords, and also the pictures need to be saved in a correct way. So if we see the here, you see this is a not. If except of this one's something will be like some keyword, it will be better for you to rank on Google. So the second thing I want to talk about is the citation. And if you go to the Google, we can see the Google guaranteed ads, and then we can see normal ads that we used to see already. But now in 2020, a lot of people have ad blockers, and so it's 50-50. Some people can see, some not. And if you go to the map pack here, you can see this company. So what is a citation is essentially your business name, address, and phone number listed in various directions all throughout the web. It's basically, to put it simply, Yellow Pages, Facebook, LinkedIn, any of those websites, places online that allow business owners to add their business details and services within their, would be considered like a directory or business directory listing. And in order to rank high on these maps here, you need to make sure that you are looking at your competition's directory listing and seeing what they're currently being listed in. And you want to try go out and get yourself listed there as well. But you don't want to just stop it. You want to add a little bit more. So that way you are completely dominating them in that space, and that will help you rank well here in the search. Now we already covered content and citation. Last thing I want to cover is the backlinks, and so that has a lot to do with this organic section down here. And you see like Yelp, your expertise, home advisors, right here, see. So there are a lot of big national companies that they're taking up the top of the page. Way backlinks work, all it means is that their website out there that has a link to your website, and that link to your website could potentially bring some traffic from that other website. So backlinks are not always created equal. If you have, for example, an ice cream shop that had sent you a link, you did some work for them and you did a good job and they send you a link, but the whole websites, it's all about ice cream shops and ice cream stuff. It's not going to do it as much good for you as, let's say, another HVAC company. A lot more effective when you have a relative site linking to you. That's going to be a little bit more powerful because it's more unique and relevant to your industry. So looking at one of these tools I have here, it's called Ahrefs. It's not 100% accurate, but it's one of these companies that buys data from Google, and so it gives me an idea of what's working well for you and what's working well for your competition as well. And as I see here, you have one referring domain that gives you 1 backlinks, and you are getting found for 3 keywords, and out of those keywords you are getting an average of 1 person per month on your website. So let's see the competitors just to have a picture. See, they have 826 referring domains that brings them more than 4,200 backlinks, and they are getting found for 7,800 keywords, and out of those keywords they are getting more than 18,000 people on average on their site each month. To boost these numbers is very doable, and we specialize in this. And so that's pretty much it what I had And I hope this video has been educational for you. If you would like to know more about how NYC marketers can help grow your business online, please give us a call and we can chat. If not, no worries. Enjoy the free tips you've given today. And if you could just give me some feedback on this video and let me know how I did. And thanks again, and have a great day.